Hello everyone, welcome to my video. In this video, I would like to talk about this VCPR theory and what's the function of it and so on. So I guess many of you came across this theory in your life. Valence, shell, electron, pair, repulsion. This theory gives us prediction about shape of molecules and so on. Another important theory is a Lewis structure. Lewis structure gives us information about the shape of some compound and so on. So in this video, I would like to teach you how to use this kind of series and to predict the shape of some molecules. So first example is sulfide. In order to use this theory and to find out its structure, we must first count all the electrons. So let's start from learning how to count the electron of the whole compound. So you have to split this compound into two parts. So as you can see, there is two compounds. First is sulfur, and the second is oxygen. Sulfur. First of all, sulfur, we must use periodic table. So let's use it. So we see that sulfur is located on the 16th group. 16th group. You see, oxygen, sulfur, and so on. We need sulfur. Sulfur is located in the 16th group. So let's draw it. Sulfur is located on the 16th group. Oxygen is located also in the 16th group. On the 16th group. So, let's see how many sulfur do we have in this compound. Obviously, only one sulfur, and so we have to count 6 electron plus, and you might ask, where did you get this six electron? I get from here. You don't have to write here 16. You just cancel 1 and you left with only 6. So you should write 6 electron. And oxygen. What about oxygen? We have 4 oxygen here. So we first write 4, and the oxygen also we cancel only 1, and we left with 6 electron. And we also have these 2 minus. We have to add these 2. So how many is that? 1 multiplied by 6 is 6, plus 4 multiplied by 6 is what? 24. And we add these 2. How many left? It means that we have 32 full electron. So I hope it's clear now to how to count the electron. If you don't understand it, we have other similar examples, so we can learn it more deeply. So, and after that, we have to draw its formula. I mean, its structure. Obviously, in the center will be sulfur. We surround him with oxygen, we have 4 oxygen, as I said before, and we just put the dots around it. Let's put it 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32. And there you see we have 32 dots. It means we have 32 electrons. What about its shape? It's the shape of this sulfate. Shape of sulfate is corresponds EX4 category, which means has a tetrahedral shape. So let's continue. As I said before, we have another example in order to make it clear. Here we have chloride ion. So as I said before, we have to separate our compound into 2 parts. We have here chlorine and the oxygen. So we have 1 oxygen. So let's find out where is located our chlorine. Chlorine located in the group of 17, but we have to only count 7. Good job. Also plus, we have here 3 oxygen. 3. We know that oxygen occurred in the 16th group, so we have to only write 16 electron. And also we have here 1 minus. We consider it like 1, only 1. So here we have 7 plus multiplied by this. It means a whole 26 electron. Let's draw its structure. We have chlorine here and 3 oxygen. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 7, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. Yes, that's right. We have 26 electrons. The shape of this compound is trigonal pyramidal shape. You see that it's like a pyramidal, you know? I think this is clear. So our last example is ammonium ion. Ammonium ion, we separate it. First we have nitrogen. Nitrogen located in the 15th group, so we cancel 1 and we left with 5. And hydrogen is located in the group of 1, so we have 4 hydrogen and 1 electron. It means that and the last thing is that we have here 1 plus, and when it's plus we extract 1, but when it's minus we add 1. So let's revise our last example, which was chlorine 0.6 minus. When it's minus we add 1, but when it's plus we subtract 1, I would say. So we have with 8 electrons. Let's figure out nitrogen here, oxygen, 4 oxygen, oxygen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 7, 8. That's right, 7 electrons. The shape of this compound is tetrahedral. I think that this video was helpful. If you have any questions about that, you can learn from other YouTube videos. I wish you good luck and have a great time by learning chemistry.